Welcome to Beyond the Event Horizon. Today we're digging into, well, a pretty significant moment in AI discussions. It revolves around Sam Altman's recent piece, The Gentle Singularity.
That's right, and we're looking at it through the lens of a really insightful commentary by Jay Poole.
So we have Altman's original post and then Poole's analysis helping us unpack what it all really means.
Exactly. Our goal here for you listening is to get at the weight behind Altman declaring we've crossed an event horizon with AGI.
And crucially, why Poole argues this moment really forces us to bake ethics in from the absolute start, not just sprinkle it on later.
Yeah, it's foundational. Poole frames it as the only way to consciously build this future, to aim for something genuinely gentle.
Right. It feels like a major shift, not just tech talk, but about our participation